Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today we're going to be doing my brow routine. Alright guys, so we're going to get started. Everything I use in this video will be listed down below. So I tend to need a mirror, a handheld mirror. This is mine right here. It's a little dirty. It's the Hello Kitty times SEPHORA collection from years and years and years ago. That's how long I've been having this. But I like to use one of these to like kind of get up close to see what I'm doing for accuracy and precision. If you don't feel like you need one, that's totally fine. So first I'm going to take an angle liner brush and a medium to dark brown shade shadow. And I'm also going to take some like makeup misting spray. You can take water because I've definitely used water before. And I'm just going to take that on a little mixing pan and just kind of make somewhat of a thin paste. And like I said, I'm using an angle liner brush. Let me kind of zoom you guys in some more so you can kind of see what I'm doing. All right, I'm gonna try to do this so you guys can see what I'm doing and so I can see myself, okay? And then I like to take kind of like short strokes, kind of like that. And guys, I am just outlining the natural shape of my brow. And then I'm going in and filling in. I try my best to not make many mistakes because I don't want to use so much concealer or foundation, whatever it is I'm using to clean up my brow. All right, I hope you guys saw that okay. All right, next I'm gonna take another angle liner brush. I'm gonna take my foundation that I'm using and I'm gonna take it on a mixing tray as well. And I just like to kind of go in the cap. And once again, I'm gonna try to show you guys as best as I can and try to be patient with this step. Because you don't want to go back and forth. Try to get that line as straight as possible. And then drag that excess down. Can you guys see that? Go back if necessary. I like to kind of take off the excess and then I'm gonna go on top. There we have it. Next, I'm going to take a blending brush and just kind of blend all of that out, top and bottom. All right. I'm going to check for precision and accuracy in my mirror. See what I think about it. I feel like I have a couple of gaps. I'm just taking that brown shadow with that makeup misting spray, and right where I feel like I have a little gaps, I'm gonna go and fill in. There we go. So now we're gonna do the other side. I like to finish with some clear brow gel. Now I will do this step normally after I powder my face. Also, I'm gonna go in with a bone colored shadow, and then I'm gonna press that into the brow bone, just to kind of set that foundation. Alright guys, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the notification